Bonjour ou bienvenue. Learn French with AT Khoj. AT Khoj, c'est moi. So now in this lesson, in this video, we are going to learn the clothes. Clothes, what we call that in French, vêtements. So we are going to learn the clothes, the piece of clothes, types of clothes in French, which is also very important. Okay, so now get the list over the screen and repeat it after moi. Repeat it after moi. Repeat it after me. So what is the first word there? Pajama. 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 La pajama. It's quite similar word and it will learn to you easily. Pajama. Okay. What is the next word? Is jeans. Jean. La jean. La jean. La jean. Okay. Now the next word is pants. Pant is pantalon. Pant is pantalon. You might have heard this similar word like in mall, pantalon. So it's somewhat like that. Pantalon. Okay. And what is the next word? Please have a look on it. Pull. Pull is not pullover. Pull is sweater. Pull is sweater. Okay. And now what's the next word? Bijou. Bijou. Bijou is jewelry. So the jewelry is le bijou. Le bijou. Okay. And find the next word is I'm not going to tell you this because you already know it, because it is the same in English. Shorts. Okay. Short. Okay. And what is the next word? Is blouson. Blouson. Blouson is jacket. Okay. Now la costume. La costume. Costume is also a very familiar word, but that in French it is suit. Okay. La costume is suit. Suit. Okay. And now chemise. La chemise. Chemise is blouse. Okay. And next word I will not tell you because you can read it and you can understand it, because le t-shirt. T-shirt is t-shirt. Okay. And now la cravat. Cravat is, can you guess? Tie. Okay. So cravat is tie. Okay. And the last, oh wow, again it's quite familiar sound. Bermuda. Bermuda. Bermuda is Bermuda in English also, I believe so, because quite often I've heard it by the English speaker. I hope that you have learned these words, because few of them were already heard by you and already I believe like maybe learned by you. Okay. So these are the words and we are going to repeat it. Here we go. First word is pajama. Second is jean. Third, pantalon. Fourth, pull, like sweater. And then bijou is jewelry, shorts. And then blouson. Blouson is jacket. Okay. And then costume. Then chemise is chemise. Chemise. Okay. And then the t-shirt. T-shirt is t-shirt. Okay. And la cravat. And then Bermuda. Bermuda. Okay. So these are the words and that you have to revise and repeat. then only these words will stay to your mind. I would advise just to revise and watch this video again. So revise it and keep practicing. However,